Life is full of financial pitfalls. Even with the best of intentions, it's easy to make financial mistakes. But it's not just about the mistakes you're making, it's the opportunities you could be missing. The good news is it's never too late to recover from these mistakes, and it's never too soon to learn how to avoid them. Let's look at 6 of the most common financial mistakes to avoid and how to steer away from them. Welcome to our channel. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe. It only takes a second and you can always change your mind later. Let's begin. Financial mistake 1. Going without a plan or a budget. Your financial plan is your roadmap to accomplish your financial goals. It's about establishing SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals, and an investment and saving strategy to get there. Meeting with a financial planner is often recommended for a strong start. One good rule of thumb to use when establishing a budget is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, housing, car, healthcare, etc., 30% for wants, entertainment, etc., and 20% to savings, debt repayment, and investments. Depending on your available income, financial goals, and stage of your career, flexibility is important. If you can comfortably allocate more than 20% of your income to savings and investment, you'll be better off over the long term. Financial mistake 2. Leaving money on the table. Does your employer offer matching funds for your 401k retirement plan? Do they offer you the opportunity to buy stock at a discount? Don't leave free money on the table. Many employers offer a 401k program as part of your benefits package, and some will match your contributions up to a point. If your employer offers to match your retirement contributions up to 3% of your income and you don't take advantage of it, it's like turning down part of your pay. If you have life insurance or similar benefits through your employer, make sure you list a beneficiary on them. Your benefits package is part of your compensation. You want to ensure you're maximizing all potential benefits you receive. Financial mistake 3. Foregoing life insurance. No one wants to think about their mortality. Don't let that force you into the mistake of not planning for the security of your loved ones if something unexpected happens. The average funeral in 2021 is expected to cost between $7,500 and $12,000. Life insurance will help your family handle the expenses incurred if you pass away, as well as ensure they have the resources to get through a difficult transition after you're gone. Life insurance is often inexpensive for adults in good health, and the peace of mind it offers is priceless. Knowing your loved ones have the resources to thrive after you're gone is one of the smartest moves you can make. Financial mistake 4. Making major purchases without comparison shopping. When it comes to recurring expenses such as car insurance, consumers often stick with what they have. However, it pays to shop around. Consumers who reviewed their accounts before renewing in comparison shops can often save hundreds of dollars per year. Even if you stick with the same company, review your coverage to see if you're carrying more insurance than necessary. Financial mistake 5. Maintaining unused services and memberships. How many streaming services do you actually use? Like many Americans, you may not even realize how many recurring payments are coming out of your account. Among Americans who utilize streaming services, the average consumer wastes $348 per year on services they don't even use. It's a good idea to go through your bank account periodically and highlight recurring payments such as gym memberships or streaming services. Think carefully about whether you use each service enough to be worth the expense. While each individual payment may only be $10 or $20, these can add up to hundreds of dollars every year. Financial mistake 6. Choosing not to invest in your future. Not putting your money to work is a huge financial mistake. The best way to meet long-term financial goals is with a smart investment strategy that takes advantage of not only your 401k, but tax-advantaged programs such as individual retirement account. Where possible, diversify your investment portfolio by participating in programs such as peer-to-peer lending. The earlier you begin to invest, the better off you will be later. However, it's never too late to implement an investment strategy that meets your long-term financial goals. A qualified financial advisor can help you develop a strategy that balances risk with return based on your goals and time frame. Thank you for watching today's video about the 6 financial mistakes to avoid in 2022. If you found value in this video, please subscribe. It helps us a lot.